Hello and welcome, Victor here from MMI Crewe. Today showing around this Audi Q2 1.6 TDI very S-Line S Tronic, finished in grey color and powered by diesel engine producing 116 PS paired with automatic transmission. This compact SUV blends efficiency with everyday usability. On the front, this car features LED headlights, a bold single-frame grille and S-Line design body styling for sharper look. Black window trims and titanium grey C-pillar blades provide a contrast, and 18-inch alloys add stability and enhance the sporty appearance. At the rear, LED taillights with dynamic indicators, a subtle roof spoiler and a silver diffuser finish the sporty design. The boot is versatile with easy access and 60/40 split folding rear seats, allowing you to expand the space for larger items. Rear passengers benefit from supportive seating, ISOFIX mounts for child seats, and thoughtful touches such as interior lighting and quality materials. Up front, the S-Line sport seats are supportive and practical, paired with brushed aluminum inlays and illuminated S-logo door sills. The cabin balances sportiness with everyday usability. The leather-trimmed multifunction steering wheel includes gear shift paddles, giving you fingertip control, and the clear driver display ensures essential data is easy to read, while cruise control and hill hold assist and add comfort and reassurance. On offer is manual air conditioning, ensuring straightforward operation, keeping the cabin comfortable whatever the weather. An infotainment system offers MMI Radio Plus with DB, ensuring crisp playback. You also get Bluetooth and Audi smartphone interface with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Audi Connect for online services for enhanced connectivity. SD card-based MMI Navigation for reliable guidance, and Audi Drive Select, allowing you to choose driving modes to suit your journey or your preferences. Rear parking sensors support city driving with clear audio feedback as well. This has been a presentation of the Audi Q2 1.6 TDI Ferry S-Line S Tronic. For more information, auto range test drive, visit us online or give our sales team a call today.